Welcome to Email Copywriting for Coaches. My name is MK and welcome to my channel. And my channel is all about email copywriting, how to sell with emails, and copywriting. Do follow, like, and share this video. Also follow my channel for more. So, email copywriting for coaches. Who are coaches? Coaches are people who have one-on-one sessions with people, who help people develop themselves. So they can have courses and they can have one-on-one coaching programs. So if you want to practice email copywriting, if you want to use email copywriting to increase your coaching revenue or your sales, here are the things you must do. First of all, I want to start with some few assumptions. Number one, you want to assume that you have courses and coaching programs for sale. If you're a coach, you likely have one-on-one coaching programs, you have consultation programs, you have courses sold at different price ranges. These courses will be sold using email copywriting. The second thing I want to assume is that you have a following online. If you're a coach, you should have some kind of following online, whether on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, or TikTok, or any other social media platform. The last assumptions I want to make is that you are building your email list. You cannot practice email copywriting without an email list. So I want to assume you have an email list of subscribers. You have given them a freebie, a lead magnet, and they have subscribed to your email list. So if you have an email list and you are worried or confused about how to send emails to generate sales, because the thing is, if you have an email list, you need to send emails every day or as often as possible for you to be able to generate sales with your email list. The whole purpose of email copywriting for coaching or for coaches is to know how to write emails that can generate sales. And that's what I'll be showing you in this short video. Now, don't forget, all that I'm going to share with you here can be found in some free and some paid coaching courses that I have. So if you go to the description of this video, you're going to see link to a few places you can download my email copywriting courses, or go to the pinned comment on this video. Okay, now let's get back to the video. So what kinds of emails can you write to be able to sell your coaching program, your courses, and all of that? There are very many types of emails you can write, and I've showed you all of that in my coaching program. But for this video, I'm going to share with you some emails a coach can write to generate sales. Number one, you can write emails about the success of your clients. This is a very powerful email that can make you a lot of money. If you have coached people and they've gotten results, get their testimonial and turn those testimonials into emails. So if you have 10 success stories from your clients or your students, you can write 10 emails talking about their success, how they did it. All right. Another kind of story you can write is your origin story. How did you start your coaching practice? How did you become a coach? What motivated you to become a coach? That is what your origin story is all about. If you have an interesting origin story and you reveal your motivation around what happened that made you turn into a coach, it can become a very good email that you can use to generate sales for your business. The next stories or the next emails you can write is your mistakes that you've made in your journey. Most people became coaches because of mistakes they made, and they're trying to help people avoid the same mistakes. So talk about the mistakes you have made and the mistakes that people have to avoid so that they can get the result they're looking for. Number four kind of emails you can write are the contradiction emails about popular beliefs in your space. In every niche, in every space, there are things people say that people think is the right thing, but from your experience as a coach, you might realize it is not the truth. What you can do is to write emails that contradict these beliefs. Write emails that contradict these beliefs, and you will have powerful emails that can get attention and generate sales. Number five, you can write rant emails. Do you have something that is bugging you in your industry? Do you have a product, or is there a product that is wrong or is bad or is wrong, whatever that is wrong in your industry, or something that you don't just like about your industry that you can rant about? You can write rant emails that can get attention and get you sales. Then number six, in every niche in your own space, there are always objections. Objections are the reasons why people don't want to buy what you're selling. The objections are many and different depending on the niches. You can write different emails countering every objection, and these emails can help you sell what you're selling. Objections about the cost of your program, objections about how much time you will spend, objection about skill level, objection about so many different things. Find out what the objections are, write emails countering these objections, and you will make a lot of sales for your business. Number 7, write emails explaining your uniqueness. There are different coaches in every niche, and if you stand out and you have a uniqueness to yourself, that will drag or pull people to you and can help you make sales. So what's unique about your coaching program? What's unique about your product? What kind of you use? Is it the same with others? Is it different? What makes your works better? Write emails explaining all of this, and you will have emails that can generate sales. Number 8, case studies. This is similar to testimonials, but the case studies you go more in depth, explaining exactly what your customers did and how they got the result, or explaining what you did to get them the results. Case studies are powerful, and you can use them as emails. Number 9, you can talk about trends in your industry. Every industry has new trends, new ideas, and you can talk about these trends, how it is useful or not useful to your industry or to the client for getting results. The more you talk about these things, it drags attention to you, and you can use that to generate sales. And number 10, you can talk about mistakes that target audience or your target audience should avoid in order to get the results that they want. These are just 10 different kinds of emails that you can write. There are hundreds of different kinds of emails. I have courses and training that will show you how to generate unlimited email ideas for any of your coaching program, and that is available for you free in my description. Go to the description, click the link, and you're going to get a video that will show you how to generate unlimited email ideas for your niche or for your coaching program, or click the link in the very first comment and you'll get access to this training program. Now, if you have any question about how to write emails for coaches or for your coaching program, or how to generate email ideas, you can let me know in the comments. If you have any question about what I just shared with you, let me know in the comments. But if you go to the link in the description, you'll get access to training, paid and free, that can help you learn how to write emails for your coaching program so you can make sales. Lastly, if you need help with writing emails for your coaching program, I also work with coaches that are a good fit, and I can help you write emails for your coaching program, for your courses, and for anything you're selling. Hit me up, send me a message, and I can talk to you so we get to know if we can work together. All right, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. See you, and bye-bye.